if you want trading signals as well. Okay, so let's go to on the now sell or buy gold. Okay, a lot of people is quite curious about the gold. So I actually have been doing a top-down analysis on the gold market right here. So as I already mentioned, we need to know what is going on the weekly time frame. So weekly time frame, it's showing signs that the price is going lower, and the price is definitely has a chance to reach through this level. Okay, so I'm speculations that the price might be reaching through the lower sides, and the price will be going on the low sides. Okay, so from this point onwards, we can see that we already mentioned the price has been grabbing these liquidations from the top, and going back from the 4 hour time frame, we can see that the price has been verified uh, this order block. We already mentioned before, the price has been reaching back and verified this order block area. Once the price has been verified this order block area reaching back, this is might be the highest, and the price reaching through, grabbing these liquidations, and going back to a market maker sell model. So market maker sell model, what will be happening usually will be grabbing um the the ranging area. So we are speculations that the price is grabbing this area, and then after that the price is going lower. So nonetheless, we can see that the market has been reaching a low and a new low. So yesterday we already mentioned that we are likely to see the gold market to go higher, but I was speculations that the price might be reaching back to this level, this order block area. I was thinking that the market might be reaching back to this area, and then after that might be reaching back towards downwards. But what we can see right now is that the price is reaching too high and grabbing above liquidations. So where is it going to? Going by that, we can use this as our reference. From this to this, we can see that the price has been effectively verified this 0.68 resistance area. Okay, so going back, how about go? Is it going, sorry, is it going uptrend and or the downtrend? Go looks. Okay, I will be explaining right now. So what we can see is that the market is definitely is going lower because we already mentioned the price is going liquidity to another liquidity. So from what we can see right now is that the price is reaching through this liquidations. So it's probably going back to the lower sides. So from this point onwards, I'm thinking it's definitely has a chance that the price might be reaching through this low. But to be honest, I'm thinking that in the future, gold might be dropping a really, really hard. So what's the reason behind of it? Okay, so let's talk about some of the fundamental sides. Okay, why do I think that gold in the future will be going lower? So why? Okay, so why I'm thinking that the gold will be going lower. So let's talk about it. So why gold will drop? Okay, so what's the reason behind of it? So the first thing we need to know is that why is gold is rising back from this point onwards? Okay, so what's the reason behind that the price is going higher? Okay, one of the major reasons is that central bank has been cutting interest rates. So reasons of gold rising. Okay, so we can see that gold has been rising. Okay, the gold and central bank has been cutting rates. Okay, so central bank has been cutting back. Central banks has been cutting rates. Okay, and other than that, what we can see. Okay, geopolitical issues. Okay, so we have also have been geopolitical issues. Okay, so that's geopolitical the issues, and we also have economy might be dropping. So in the beginning of the week, a lot of people are saying that economy is weakening, but nonetheless we can see that it's going strong. Is weakening and uh, okay, weakening, and we what else? Let me think about it. Hmm, yeah, nonetheless, I'm thinking that this is the major reasons. Central banks cutting rates, geopolitical issues, economy weakening. So, what is going on right now? Okay, so what is really happening right now? Right now, I'm thinking that the gold is dropping because the economy is going stronger. So right now, I'm thinking that economy it's going stronger. Even the Federal Reserve has been saying that the economy situation is going stronger. So economy strengthen. Okay, strengthen. Okay, so this is the first. Second is fiscal policy. Okay, so second is fiscal policy. So this is the second thing. Third is that Federal Reserve will be slowing down. Federal Reserve will slow down uh, interest rate cut. Okay, and yeah, I think that's the reason behind of it. So why that I'm thinking the gold will be dropping? Okay, right now is economy is strengthened. So right away we can see that actually the economy situation is quite great. The employment, even though it's lower than expectations, but we can see that is really didn't really affect it on the retail sales is higher than expectations. The inflation rate, the CPI data, it's also going higher as well. So the economy is going strong, and even the Federal Reserve might be thinking about to a slowing down on dropping interest rate. So this is one of the facts. And the second point is the physical policy in the future. So we can assuming that in next year January, as we already know, who Donald Trump is elected on 47th of United States president. So we can expect that will be probably much more leaning to boosting on the economy situations. So what will happen? So what will happen if this boosting on? So mostly likely to boost economy. So boost economy. Okay, so what happened if boost economy? Okay, boost economy, then what will happen? Usually will be definitely helping on the risk assets. So you can see that the risk assets will be going higher. And why that? Why? And this will be how this will be directly reducing demand of the gold market. And I'm thinking that the gold has been digesting on this move. So I'm thinking it's really highly likely that in 2025, gold will be dropping really much. After that, will be going through a ranging area. Okay, so this is my thought about it. Okay, right now we already know who's elected as presidents and much more. He's leaning to boosting economy and beneficial those rich dudes, okay, those rich guys, the billionaires, Elon Musk, those kind. So probably will be risk boosting on the economy, and what will be happening? Inflations will be going higher. Definitely inflations will be going strong. Okay, so inflations will be going strong, so overall, in the near terms, we can speculate that the risk assets will be going strong, inflation's going strong, and what we can expect is that the stock indexes is one of the pairings that will be reaching through a new high in 2025. So doing long on the stock indexes is probably a good thing, and you also can think about to do long on cryptocurrencies. So cryptocurrencies, I'm thinking that in the next year is probably will be continue going high and reaching through new high. But from the goal perspective, I quite conservative without to be honest, I was a bit conservative because I'm thinking that there's not any reasons that the gold will be going higher. The geopolitical issues has been digesting, so we can see that and also the new presidents coming out will be probably will be stopping on and focusing on the issues on boosting economic situation. So there's not a really good on gold market, to be honest. I'm thinking that gold market might be dropping really much in the future. Okay, so need to be aware of that. Okay, and besides of that, we also can see that this is the last 2 months on this yearly charts. So probably the price might be dropping in the future. So gold will be dropping. So this will be beneficial what stock indexes, cryptocurrencies. AUD USD is also one of pairings that you might need to be aware of. Okay, AUD USD might be also one of the pairings. New Zealand USD is also one of the pairings, and maybe crude oil will be indirectly also boosting on. So crude oil might be indirectly boosting on the demand and will be might be dropping, I mean rising higher in the near future. Might be. Okay. But in the near future, I'm thinking that definitely the risk assets will be continue going higher. So boosting economy, risk assets will be going higher. So in the near future, what assets we are focusing on? So we can focusing on SP 500. So SP 500 and maybe cryptocurrencies we also can focusing on, and also we can focusing on commodity currency is also one of things. Commodity currencies is also one of things, and so on. So this is few of the things that we might need to focus in the near 2025, and it's likely to continue going higher. So gold, it's not really likely to reaching true new high because there's no any reasons behind of it. So gold might be dropping in the near future. Okay, so if you do listen, prepare that the gold might be dropping. Okay, so what happened? My speculations from the gold market, to be honest, I'm thinking that the market will be dropping here, maybe reaching through a range, and then after that, the price will be going a big ranging area again. Maybe takes about 1 or 2 years. After that, the price will be continue going a bullish momentum after that. But right away, I'm thinking that right now maybe it's time to do shorts, and the price might be reaching through a really strong bearish momentum. So if you're asking me, I'm definitely leaning on doing shorts on the gold, to be honest, because there's no any reasons or behind of it. The market will be probably focusing on the stock market in the future. Risk assets will be going higher, and this will be definitely beneficial on SP 500 cryptocurrency and commodity currency. So what are the currency pairings that not really going through? JPY pairings definitely will be dropping in the future. So USD JPY, or maybe you can try to do AUD JPY. AUD JPY will be definitely going on the high sides in the 2025. So you can try to focusing on AUD JPY or AUD JPY pairings, or maybe New Zealand JPY is also one of the pairings. I'm thinking that a matter of time, the price will be reaching through 110 in the near future. Okay, maybe in 2035, there's a chances that the price will be reaching to new high, and economic situations is going better. So right away, this definitely putting pressure on JPY pairings. And other than that, we also can try to focusing on the CHF pairings. So Swiss franc is also one of the safe haven currency as well. So probably will be also dropping. Okay. From my expectations, I'm thinking that dollar index might be also dropping in the near future because if the new president do really wanted to boost the economy, usually will be have a lot of supports. So money definitely it's devaluing. So I'm thinking that dollar index might be dropping as well. So other than that, I'm thinking everyone can focusing on AUD USD, New Zealand USD, or maybe AUD JPY is also one of the pairings in the near future. Stock indexes, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, crude oil is also one of the things that we might need to be aware of. The price might be going higher and so on. Okay, so if you do really enjoying, if you do like our live streaming, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And remember to like and subscribe and follow. And if you want more about our educations and sites, please go to our bio sites, and you can go to join our signal group as well. Okay, hopefully you do really enjoy about it. Okay. So right away, let's talk about some of the pairings that I really think that in the near future, the price will be going higher using my basic fundamental. Okay. So you can see that we have been giving out. I'm thinking why gold will be dropping. So the first thing that if we want to think why gold drop, then we need to know what's the reasons that the gold is rising. So what's the big issues that the price is going higher from 2024 that the gold is going higher? The first reason is that the central banks cutting rates in this year. The second is geopolitical issues. So I won't be talking that much. Uncertainty issue, and also the first week of the month, the economy is weakening. So this is also the major reasons behind of it. And other than that, I'm thinking that there's no other reasons that the gold has been going higher in 2024. But right away, why I'm thinking that the gold is dropping is because a new president is going up and going elected, and his fiscal policy is much more leaning to boosting economy. So inflation will be going stronger. Risk assets will be definitely going through. So risk assets going higher, safe haven products will be dropping down. So gold is one of the factors that will be dropping down in the future. Okay, maybe a really, really strong bearish momentum in the future. So need to be aware of that. Okay, so apart from that, I'm thinking, yeah, this is one of the reasons that I'm thinking gold might be dropping in the near future. So, okay, so hopefully you do really listen and also learn something new. What's my thought about it, and why do I think that gold might be dropping in the near future? So let's go to one of my first pairings, the AUD pairings. AUD pairings, why I'm thinking to do long. So let's close up everything and do a top-down analysis with everyone else. Okay, so we'll be cutting down and letting you guys know what is really going on. Okay, so from the AUD perspective, we can see that the price has been grabbing this liquidity. So the price is going high, going low, going high, and going low. From this point onwards, we can see that the price has been grabbing this liquidations. So the price is actually grabbing this liquidity from this area. So we can see that the price has been grabbing this liquidity. So this is what we call sell side liquidity. Okay, so what does it mean by sell side liquidity? Meaning by that is a lot of people will be, let's put it smaller. Okay, so this is a sell side liquidity. So once the price has been grabbing these liquidations, we can see that this is the last push. And where does the price go to? The fair value gap area. So you can see that this is the area that the price is forming. So once the price has been forming back, creating a fair value gap area, so we'll be getting signs and letting you guys know that this is the fair value gap area. So putting that, and yeah, we'll be using blue, and maybe we can make it much more, okay, and let's put here, okay, and we'll put fair value gap, okay. So we can see that the market is forming a, okay, okay, so this is the market is going high, reaching through this, the last push on the low, and after that, this is the market maker model accumulation phase. So we are likely to see the price to go through this area. So we can see that this is our buy side liquidity. Okay, so this is our expectations that the price will be going through this buy side liquidity area. Okay, so we'll be putting out and letting you guys know this is the buy side liquidity. Okay, so once the buy side liquidity has been flagged, what will be happening? The price will be grabbing low liquidity and the price will be definitely going higher. So from this point onwards, what we can see is that the market is dropping down grabbing here, okay, and then after that the price has been eventually going higher, forming fair value gap, and the price has been eventually going higher and higher and higher. Manipulation, displacement, internal, external, internal, and then price has been breaching through this area. So in the bigger time frame, we can have this kind of informations that price is going higher. Okay, so remember, if you do like our content, please follow, like, and subscribe. Okay, follow, like, like and subscribe. So subscribe is the most important thing. Follow, like, and subscribe, and also remember to remember we are doing live streaming every day. So live streaming uh, every day. So Monday to Friday. Okay, so we are doing live streaming Monday to Friday. So if you do like it, remember our time is 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. So you can see that we oh shit. Okay, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. So 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. So if you do really enjoy our live streaming, please go through. And we also, if you want to know our signal, more signal, you can go to our bio sections. Okay, go to our bio sections. Okay, so this is what we'll be doing in the near future. So if you do really enjoy our live streaming, please remember we'll be doing live streaming every day from Monday to Friday. Not every day, but we are doing Monday to Friday, and okay, Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. So if you want to know more about it, go to our bio sessions and can join our signal group as well. Okay, so let's go through the questions. You can plot out the next move of the currency price. So let's go. Okay, so let's continue. So reaching back, okay, going monthly. Wait a minute. I so big. Okay, so reaching back, making smaller. So this is our thoughts about the market. Okay, so right away we can see that the market is grabbing liquidations on the low, and then after that the price has been reaching high and grabbing this liquidation. So in the near time, we can expect that the price is going higher. Okay, so the price has been forming back and reaching back to this low, and after that the price has been continue going higher. So in the near future, I expect that the price is likely to go higher from this point onwards. Okay, so overall our expectation is that the prices continue going higher from, because we can see higher, 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 and reaching through this area and also this area as well. So we are likely to see that the market is definitely going higher. So will be going higher right away. But the price has been grabbing this liquidation. So in the bigger time frame, the monthly time frame, we can see that this has been dropping and go grabbing this liquidity. So going back to the daily time frame. So if you remember, if you do like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and also we'll be doing live streaming every day from Monday to Friday. Okay, so if you do really like it, remember to give us a like, subscribe, uh and so on. Okay, follow, like, and subscribe. And mhm. Okay, so remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, what time is the US market open? US market open usually will be opening on 8 to 9, so you can go through back to 8 to 9 p.m. Singapore time. Okay, I think it's around 9 p.m. Okay, so going back on the daily time frame. So from the daily time frame, what we can expect, the price has been grabbing low. Let's go through a weekly content. Yeah, I'm thinking that the price is going back and grabbing this liquidations. So the price has been forming back from the monthly. So the daily perspective, the price is going lower and lower and reaching through this weekly liquidity area. So because this is the smaller time frame, so we'll be using black color as our reference. So this is our weekly liquidity area. So we can see that this is the weekly sell side liquidity and also the sell side liquidity. So the price is reaching through the sell side liquidity, price going up, reaching back, boosting higher, and the price has been showing signs of going this fair value gap area. So you can see that the price has been reaching through this fair value gap area. So using by that, we can use this as reference and we can put it fair value gap area. So we can see that this is most likely the fair value gap area. Okay, so we can just write on the fair value gap area. And after that, we can see that the price is going higher. Okay, so we can see that the price is going higher from this point onwards, reaching at and going higher. Okay, so right away we can speculations that the price is going a trending market and preparing to go back to this high. Okay, so this is our speculation right away. So right away right now is weekly candlesticks. So probably we can use 4 hour to try to do on. So we can see that the price has been dropping down, giving some signs, okay, manipulations, displacement, rebalancing out. So after that, the price is showing signs and continue going higher and reaching through this high, and this high. So right away, what we can see right now, okay, so what we can see right now. So from this point onwards, we can see that the price in the shorter time frame, the price has been grabbing this liquidations. So we are probably seeing be dropping down in the lower sides. Okay, so this is the short term. I mean the life. I mean this is what we call the sell side liquidity. So you can see that this is actually the time frame that we are looking to sell side liquidity. So buy side liquidity area. So you can see that this is what we call buy side liquidity, and the price will be going back to the oh shit. Okay. Buy side liquidity, and the price has been grabbing on, and it will be accumulate. So we can go back to the 4 hour time frame. So we can speculations that the price will be, this is the manipulation phase, dropping down and creating this low. So this is also the fair value gap area. So we can speculate that this might be the lowest of the week. So thinking, let's go back to the daily time frame. Going back. To be honest, yeah. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like. Okay, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, we will be doing live streaming every day, Monday to Friday. Okay, Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. More signal, you can go to our bio sections below. Okay, so right away, let's go back to the daily time frame. So the most important using SMC is that time frame you need to use really good one. If not, definitely it's not a really good thing. So manipulations, displacement, rebalancing back. This is the monthly going back to the daily time frame. The price is showing signs lower and lower and lower and reaching through this monthly time frame, and let's see, weekly time frame, and the price has been showing signs of going higher. Mhm. So we are definitely thinking that the market is going higher. So manipulation phase, displacement above. So we are looking from here as our fair value gap area. So you can see that this is actually our fair value gap area. Okay, so right away we can see that this is actually a really crucial area. So what we need to do, okay, so 1 hour area, the price has been reaching to, yeah, I think we might need to wait for the price to go to this area. I think it's not the time to do long positions, but I probably will be waiting from next week onwards. If next week everything is right, I'm thinking that the market will be gladly to reach back to the above area. So the price is definitely showing signs of going higher. Right now, the price is forming the manipulation phase, grabbing this liquidation, so likely to see the price to go higher. Okay, so definitely doing long is much more crucial right away. So doing long will be probably a good thing. So if you want to know more about it, okay, please remember to give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, we'll be doing live streaming every day. So we'll be doing live streaming every day from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. More signals, you can go to our bio sessions, and we'll be definitely continue to promote and also giving out free signals. Okay, so from here we can see that the market is, yeah, I think there's no any reasons that the price is going lower. Definitely is going higher, but the price is reaching through this area unless the price break through this area. If the price do really break through this area, then I'm thinking that the market it will be going lower. If not, in the meantime, I will definitely much more leaning to doing long on the AUD pairings. So right here is a really crucial way because we already mentioned that this is the price actions grabbing here. So we need to wait for some kind of momentum. Okay. So right here, daily time frame. This is the daily fair value gap. So we'll be using 1 hour time frame. So we need to see a manipulation first. Disrespecting this one, I think at least we need to see the price disrespecting this one. So after that, we can likely to do long and aiming much more higher place, reaching through this area or maybe even higher. Okay. So right away, I think we need to wait for a while, but nonetheless, we can expect the price is reaching higher. Okay. So nonetheless, we'll be reaching through on the higher sides. So if you do really like, please give us a like, subscribe, and also follow us. Okay, can you analyze Nasdaq 100, please? Thanks. Please do Nasdaq analysis. Okay, no problem. So let's do a Nasdaq analysis. So Nasdaq, let's do a Nasdaq analysis with nothing else. So we'll be closing down everything and we'll be doing top-down analysis, showing you guys what is my thought about it. So we'll be closing all the lines and letting you guys know what is going on. So I'm thinking quite obvious in the bigger time frame, we can see that Nasdaq is going higher. Okay, nonetheless, if you're trying to do shorts, is not a really good options. So from what we can see is that the price is forming here. I think this is 2020, 2021 raising interest rates. So the price has been dropping. After that, the price has been going higher and higher. So in 2022, 2024, the price of Nasdaq has been facing some kind of big retrenchment from here, but this is the last down move. So overall, my expectation is that the price is going higher. So I'll be using analysis from this point onwards. So the price is actually forming some kind of supporting area for forming back to the order block area. So we can see that the price has been forming a order block area. So we'll be putting down and letting you guys know that this is the order block area. Okay, so putting down, we'll be putting here as our order block area. Okay, so we can see that this is our order block. So we'll be putting here and letting you guys know what is this. Okay, so once we know this is the order block area, and we can see that the next couple of weeks it's likely to reach where we'll be likely to reach through this area. Why? Because this is our buy side liquidity area. So we are likely to see the price to reach through this area. Okay. So we are likely to see the price to reach through this uh, what we call buy side liquidity. So we can see that the price is reaching through this buy side liquidity area. Okay, so we are likely to see the price to reach through the buy side liquidity. So going back to the daily time frame. Okay, so from the daily time frame, what we can see is that the price has been forming back to this order block. Okay, and the price has been giving us a really great manipulation displacement above, and then afterwards the price has been if you're asking me, usually I'll be using this as my reference 50%. Usually on the 50% I'll be planning to do long, so 50%, so probably will be 50% or around here. So this is the order block area, the fair value gap. So we'll be putting here as our fair value gap area. So let's put here as our fair value gap area, and the price has been continue going higher. Okay, so the price has been continue going higher and reaching where we can see that the price has been reaching from here and then continue going upwards on the higher sides. Probably right now I'm not thinking to do long, to be honest, because the price has been reaching through a really high. I'm speculations that in the next couple of days, maybe reaching on the lower sides. So I probably won't be going on doing long because we can see that the price has been reaching through a new high. So in a short period of time, I'm thinking I will be much more leaning to on doing shorts. I mean, not doing shorts, waiting for the price to retrenchment first. Why this one is keep on moving? Uh, that's okay, not this one. But yeah, okay. So what we can see is that the price has been forming fair value gap manipulations on the low, displacement above. So we can see that this is actually a really strong displacement. So this is the displacement thing that we can think about. So this is the displacement sites. So we'll be putting black color. So you can see that this is the buy side liquidity area. So once the price has been reaching through this buy sides, reaching back, and the price has been continue going higher. To be honest, I won't be doing long right away. I'm definitely thinking that the market might be going back to a retrenchment. So right away, I will be waiting for the price to reach through this fair value gap. So from this point onwards, we can see that the price has been dropping this low. You can see that this is the equal low. The price has been dropping that, grabbing this liquidity and going through a displacement. So if you're asking me, I'm definitely waiting for the price to reach through this area, but not so sure is it possible the price will be reaching back, to be honest. But we'll be waiting from this point onwards. If the price do really reach through, I'm thinking that this is a really good chance to do long. If not, I will probably continue waiting and see how it goes. Okay. So this is the area that we are focusing on, and this is the fair value gap area. Okay, so probably we'll be waiting for the price to reaching through on the low side because the price has been grabbing this liquidations on the daily time frame and also the monthly time frame. So much more conservative, to be honest. So if you're asking me right away, okay, hi, can we expect a healthy pullback? Will gold hit 2070 above today before market close? Not really. I top shot this morning and saw liquidity set a low time frame. What do you think? Okay, let's see about it. Okay, this morning on the top. So this morning it probably is 5 minute charts. Okay, I think this is quite good. Yeah, you are right. So this is actually quite good. Yeah, I'm thinking that the price is going lower and also the price is also breaking here. So yeah, definitely doing shorts is probably much more lower, much more healthier. Yeah, yeah. I'm much more leaning to do shorts, to be honest, because waiting for the price to pull back, maybe giving us a pullback, and then after that we'll be doing long and here. So if you're asking me, I think we can actually do shorts. Okay, I think that you are right. This is actually a liquidity trap. So right now it's actually going back to a rebalancing phase, but not so sure how much do it goes. But if you're asking me, I'm probably leaning to much more lower and reaching through this area. Hopefully I'm right. But if not, maybe reaching back here and then continue going higher. That's also a chance. Okay, so what is he using to trade? So this is actually SMC, okay? SMC figure. So this is actually using the area that I'm thinking the market will be going, and I'm using model 7. So once the price has been reaching through, grabbing on, after that, the price will be continue going higher. Okay, so going back right away, right now, the market is, I'm thinking that everyone will be much more likely to know what I'm trading on. So remember, if you do interested on, give us a follow, like, and subscribe. Okay, follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be doing live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. If you want more signal, you can go to our bio sections, and we'll be definitely sharing you guys a lot more information about it. Okay, give you much more signal. You can go to our bio sections. Okay, our live streaming is from Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. If you want more signal, you can go to our bio sections. Okay, so if you want to know more about it, remember to give us like and subscribe. Okay, remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and join our live streaming sessions from Monday to Friday. If you want more signal, you can go to our bio sections. Okay, right now, let's go to the gold market. I think everyone will be much more curious about what is happening on the gold market. As I already mentioned, I'm thinking gold market is probably will be going lower in 2025. So what's the reasons behind? So I will be giving you guys what sign. So what's the reasons? The first thing we need to know is why gold is going higher. Okay, so why? Okay, do you ask yourself why? So why gold will be the reasons why gold is going higher in 2024. The first reason is central banks has been cutting rates. We can see that the UK, the euro, everything, everyone has been cutting rates. So this is one of these issues. Geopolitical issues is also one of the major reasons that the gold market has been rising really much. And another factor is economy is weakening. So this is also the three reasons that I think the price of gold has been going higher. So why that I'm thinking gold is going lower? Okay, so there's a few things. One, the first thing is that the economy is strengthened. So yesterday I have been go through 47 minutes on the FOMC. The Federal Reserve has been talking. He also admitting that in real terms, the U.S. economic situation is going great. The retail sales is higher than expectations. Unemployment rate, the employment change is actually also remaining strong, and also the what we call the inflation rate is also higher than expectations. And another factor we need to put in need to be aware of is that fiscal policy, as we already know, Donald Trump is elected from 47 the presidents, the United States presidents. So what we will be usually doing, his policy is much more leaning to boosting economy. So what will be happening? Boosting economy, inflations will be going stronger, and risk assets will be going stronger. So this is what our thoughts. SP 500 will be going stronger. Cryptocurrency, commodity currencies will be going stronger. So safe haven products such as the JPY, CHF, and gold market will probably going lower in the next week, next 2 weeks, or maybe around 2025. There's a chances that the gold market will be beginning to dropping. Okay, after that, maybe forming some kind of ranging area in the near term, something like this and this and this, and then after that it will be continue going higher, but not what I'm thinking in that this is what my expectations in 2025, because it's probably will be much more beneficial on the risk assets. Okay, so something like this. So we can see that in 2025, this is what it really happens, a ranging area. So we might facing this kind of ranging area in the near terms, or maybe a really sharp drop, to be honest, because in the what we call either wave this is what we call ranging 335, 123, 123, ABC, 125, and then the price has been going higher. So this most likely will be giving us a really deep drop. So everyone need to be aware of that. I'm thinking that 2025, the gold might be dropping a really, really strong downtrend momentum. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking about. But right now, let's talk about what's the technical analysis part. So technical analysis part, I have been doing a top-down analysis part. So yeah, I think you can't see clearly what is happening right here. We already do some top-down analysis from here, so we can see that the price has been grabbing this liquidation. So we already aligning to the price is going lower. So going back to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that the price has been forming back to the fair value gap area, reaching through this buy side, sell side liquidity, and the price has been also forming back to the order block area. Once the price has been forming back to the order block area, the price has been going lower and reaching through the sell side liquidity and rebalancing out the efficiency area. So right away, I'm thinking that the market is actually forming back to some kind of rebalancing this efficiency. I probably will be using much more on the 4-hour time frame, because this is the 4-hour time frame. So I will be probably using on the 4-hour time frame on the liquidity area. So I was expectations that will be here, but right away we can see that the price has been forming, has been grabbing this liquidity area. So you can see that the price has been grabbing this liquidity area from this point onwards. So going back, we can see that using a smaller time frame, 50 minutes, price has been giving us some signs of going lower, reaching back and grabbing on the lower sides from here. So the price right away will be forming some kind of retrenchment. So probably I'll be using what we call a, you can say a silver bullet or some sort, but we can expect that the price will be reaching back to this area. So this area is our point of interest, or maybe even our doing short periods. Okay, So we can see that the price has been going leaning towards downwards momentum. Let's see. Yeah, price is going through a really downwards momentum. So we will be likely to see the price might be reaching back to this level, grabbing these liquidations and facing back to the order block area. Okay. But in the meantime, in a short period of time, we can expect the price to reach through this area. Okay, so right away, I'm thinking that the market might be going back towards maybe the price is going back, grabbing these liquidations and forming back. If you wanted to, this might be a really good chance to do a short positions right here. Okay, we can wait for the price to rejections from, and then we can do shorts, and definitely there's a chances that the price will be going back to this low and reaching through this 50% area. Okay, so I'm much more leaning to do shorts to be honest, because from the market price actions perspective, we can see that the price has been breaking through, going lower, rebalancing out. So I'm thinking that the price is actually forming some kind of lower liquidations, maybe at least reaching back to this level. To be honest, I'm thinking that the price might be reaching back to this lower sides. So this is what my thoughts about it. The price of gold market will be much more leaning to on this equal low. Okay, so this maybe we can say that this is also the sell side liquidity area. Okay. Okay, so this is what my thought about it. Or if you want to know more about it, remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Okay, follow, like, and subscribe. Follow, like, and subscribe. And we'll be doing live streaming from every day, Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. One more, you can go to our signal. One more signal, you can go to our bio sessions. Okay, remember to give us a like, subscribe, and follow us so that we'll be continue to do much more about it. Okay, so remember to follow, like, and subscribe. So looking back right now, I'm already predictions that the price has been reaching through, going on the lower sides, going through as going lower sides. So right away, the price is rebalancing out using a 1 hour time frame. The price is rebalancing out. So I'm definitely thinking that the price might be reaching through here. Then after that, we'll be going on the lower sides and grabbing this low, reaching through this, going back to this level, and then the price will be going lower sides. This is my thought about it. I'm thinking that overall the gold market will be definitely on the shorter sides. Let's see what time is this. Okay, this is the London section. Hmm, price falling back. Hmm, Yep, this is my thought about it. Thinking that the market is going lower, reaching through this 4 hour liquidations area. The price has been reaching through. So let's see how the price react. If not, I'm thinking that the price is showing some sign. Mm, reaching through this area. Hmm, Hmm. Let's see how it does. Okay, so if you want to know more about it, give us a like, subscribe, follow us, live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. More signal, you can go to our bio. We have been analyzing AUD I'm thinking that the price is going higher, but we need to verify this area. Once the price has been verified, we are exactly going higher. Nasdaq 100, we also expect that the price will be likely to go lower, so probably will be reaching through this area, but let's see how it does. Gold market, I'm thinking that the price of gold is exactly going lower, to be honest. Uh, let's see. To be honest, I'm thinking that the gold market is much more leaning to do shorts, so everyone can try to do shorts on. So if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe, everyone. Remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and hopefully everyone can support our content so that we'll be continue doing much more content to you. Probably the price is maybe reaching from this point onwards. This is a liquidity grab, and forming to the 1 hour time frame, we can see that this is the sites. So going back, reaching to black. So coming back 5 minutes. We might see some kind of support from this area, but let's see how it goes. hmm This might be a supporting area, everyone. So bear in mind with it. Let's see how it goes. But this is actually a 5 minute chart, so this might be a strong supporting area. Let's see. If the price do really break through this swing point, then it's likely to go to a lower sides. But if not, probably will be going higher first and then going lower. But let's see how it turns out. This is a fair value gap, and also the price is manipulations on this low going high and reaching through this sides. So let's see how does the price react from this point onwards. Okay, so this is what we call the fair value gap area. If everything is go right, this might be going higher sides and breaking through this what we call a ranging area. Okay, so this is the accumulation phase, manipulations, and the price has been giving signs of lower hiring down. So this might be giving us some kind of signs that the price is going higher. Okay, so if you do really enjoy our live sessions, do remember to give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, so remember, if you do really like our content, please give us follow, like, and subscribe, and live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. More signal, you can go to our bio sections. Okay, so let's see the price of gold market has been signing on and forming some kind of support area from this point onwards. Okay. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. So this is actually the buy side liquidity. Price has been going through, forming on the low sides, grabbing here, reaching back to the supporting line. I'm thinking that the price is going higher. To be honest, I'm thinking that the price might be reaching back to this area. After that, let's see how it turns out. But nonetheless, I'm thinking that the market is reaching back to the high first, and then after that, we'll be going lower. But let's see, because this is the fair value gap area. And from the 1 hour perspective, we can see that the price has been forming this low, reaching back. So yeah, seems like this is might be a really strong support. So in the meantime, the price might be reaching back towards this area. But let's see, this might take some time. Okay, this area forming some kind of supporting area. But if everything's smooth, this might be a entry, and then the price will be at least reaching back towards this area. If wanted to do long, can actually price in doing long positions and putting stop loss, maybe 20 pips. Around 20 pips should be fine because this is the swing point. If the price do really break through, then everything it's not good. So from this point onwards, doing long, putting 20 pips, and you can get at least 202 to 1, or if you wanted to, I think can get 3 to 1 should be also fine. Okay, so if you do really enjoy our live streaming sessions and also our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, so let's see how it turns out. This might take some time, but should be okay, I guess, because this is the oh, yeah, it's 60 or even getting higher to 80 pips to be honest. But let's see, because today is Friday. Friday, there's a highly chances that the price is also going lower as well. But let's see if the price do really close above on Monday, on Friday onwards. I'm thinking that the market might be going higher. But if the market is closing below, then maybe it will be starting on the downtrend momentum. This is really need to be aware of this one. Okay, so let's see how it happens on. If the price do really break through this area, then this is not a good thing. Okay, so remember if you do like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And remember to join on the bio sections on the Telegram group. Okay, if you do really enjoy it. So let's see. So giving up right now, I will be also giving you guys some kind of free educations as well. Okay, so let's see. Mhm. Okay. Um, this might be a problem. Wait, let us wait a while. Okay, window capture. Okay, why why don't have my PPT? Okay, wait a moment. Wait a moment, everyone. This might take some time. Cancel. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see. Uh, window capture. Okay, okay. Wait a moment. Thinking that there's some problem behind of it. Okay. Okay, it's okay. Let's go back to our charts. I was thinking to share some contents behind of it, but um, wait me find something else. Okay, um, how to do this thing? Let me think about it first. Okay, no. Okay, okay, finally. Shit, why? Send to the back. Okay. Hmm, some problem behind of it. Okay. Wait a moment. Hmm. But anyway, if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, follow, like, and subscribe. And we'll be doing live streaming from Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. More signal, you can go to our bio sessions as well. So right away, we have been giving out analysis on the AUD I'm thinking that the price is going higher, but we need to have much more confirmations away. After that, we can speculate that the price is going higher. Apart from that, I'm also thinking that the Nasdaq will be much more leaning to going lower as well. It's also going on the lower sides. And the gold market, let's see, I already mentioned that this is the fair value gap area. And I'm thinking that this is actually a really good place to do long because we can put our stop loss below this area and we can get above this area. The risk reward ratio, at least we can get 2 to 1, but I think we need some time to verify the supporting area. Maybe another 50 minutes or 10 minutes to see the price, how it really goes. You can see that the price do really verify this supporting area, but not a really good entry right away. We need to see some kind of displacement above. If that really happens, I'm thinking that it's likely to go higher. So let's see how it happens. Okay. So let's see how it happens. If everything is right, I'm thinking that is probably will be going on the higher sides. And then after that, will be going on the lower sides. Because from this, we can see that this is the manipulation phase, displacement above, and the price is going back to the fair value gap area. If the price do really disrespecting on this one, disrespecting on this one, then I'm thinking that this might be going through a downtrend momentum. If not, probably will be forming some kind of supporting area. So remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe. Okay, please give us a like and subscribe. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. More signal, you can go to our bio sections as well. Okay, your support is the one of the most important thing. So remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Okay, follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be continue doing live streaming with you guys. Okay, follow, like, and subscribe, and continue to do live streaming on Monday to Friday, 7 p.m., 10 p.m. Singapore time, and more signal, you can go to our bio sections. So going through, and we also giving out why I'm thinking that in the longer time frame, the gold will be going lower because there's a few reasons. Okay, we need to know what is the reason behind of the gold is going higher first. So after that, what we can speculations in 2025 is that the price is going lower. Strengthened economy, fiscal policy supports, Federal Reserve will be slowing down, boosting economy. People, the money flow will be going risk assets, stock indexes, cryptocurrency, commodity currencies will be definitely going on the higher sides. So this is what I'm thinking about. But in the meantime, I'm thinking that this might be a really strong support. You can try to do long and thinking that the price is reaching back towards the outwards. So you can see that the price has been forming supports and we are likely to see some kind of reaching on the high sides. So why I'm thinking that? Because this is the manipulation phase, displacement above, reaching back on the supporting area, so the price will be probably reaching back towards this area. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like and subscribe and follow us. what pattern do you use? Forex trading. Yes, Forex trading. So what I'm using, I'm actually using SMC. Okay, so smart money concept. Before I was actually using Ilion Wave, but I'm thinking that Ilion Wave have their pros and cons. So right away, I will be talking about theory. Okay, everything is actually theory. Okay, you have your own how to look through the market. Okay, everyone have their ways to look through the markets. Maybe SMC, maybe either wave. Okay, Downs theory, or maybe even we have or what else? We have a lot of price actions, everything else. That's a really perspective on how do you look through the market. But if you really want to success, theory is just a theory. The most important factors to give you successful is actually risk management plan, and also the structure, the trading plan that you are really wanted to trade on. So what is your trading plan? What time you are trading? What kind of trader are you? And so on, so on. What's your risk management and so on. So this is a really big factor if you really wanted to be successful. Okay, let's see how the price go on. Price reaching two. Maybe displacement above. If the price do really close above another 2 to 3 minutes, I'm thinking that this might be a really good time. But nonetheless, let's see how it turns out. Okay, this is a supporting area, and let's see how it turns out. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, so if you do really follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. More signal, you can go to our bio sections, and this is our trading opportunity giving out AUD JPY in the higher time frame. We are likely to go higher, and stock indexes, Nasdaq is probably will be going lower, but in the bigger time frame, we can speculations that the price will be going lower. Cryptocurrency in the bigger time frame, we are already leaning to going higher. So let's see how it turns out. So going back, reaching through, let's see how the price react from here. We have another 2 minutes and see how the price closing above or closing below. If the price do closing above, then should be fine. If the price do close below, then this is not a really good sign. So let's see, we have another minutes left. So we need to see the price to close above. If the price do close above, then everything should be fine. Okay, so why that I'm thinking the price is going higher? Okay, there's a few reasons why. Okay, so I will be talking about my reasons behind of it. One, we can see that this is a strong impulse reaching through retracement above, below, and the price is grabbing this liquidations, forming back to this fair value gap area. Manipulation, displacement, rebalancing out. So from this point onwards, we can speculations that this is actually maybe higher chance that this is market maker buy model reaching back towards this area. There's a chance, but from the meantime, I'm much more leaning to doing long and maybe reaching back to this 0.618. So this is the area that I'm thinking the price will be reaching to. So going back to the 5 minute, much more details, we can see that the price has been giving us a really strong displacement below. So this is really grabbing this liquidations. So the price has been going higher and reaching back to this fair value gap area. So you can see that this is actually our fair value gap area, and this from the 1 hour time frame, we also can see that this is actually the manipulation displacement above. So right away, I'm thinking that the price might be much more going on the higher sides, but let's see how the price react. So the price do really ranging, didn't really give out any signs yet. So let's see, the price is going ranging. So ranging above, below, so forming here, forming that. So we need to see some kind of displacement above, then everything should be fine. So we need to see the price to displacement above this area, then everything should be okay. Okay, but right away, the market is actually leaning to a ranging market. So if the price do really break through this area, then everything should not a really good thing. The price might be going lower, but nonetheless, let's see how it happens. Hmm. Okay, price reaching through. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. So follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. More signal, you can go to our bio sections. Okay. So gold. Oh, seems like the gold didn't really respect on it, reaching back and going lower. Seems like the price is going on the lower sides. Not a good signs. Seems like the market is going lower. The price disrespecting on this bad order block, reaching to going the lower sides. But let's see the price. The Pollution displacement above, reaching back fair value gap area, reaching to 50%. Hmm, let's see. To me that the price might be going back to the 50% area, lower sides, grabbing liquidations, maybe a last grab on the lower sides. Hmm, forming back 61.8. The fair value gap didn't really respect it. So 1 hour. So for 50 minutes, let's see. 50 minutes fair value gap. Hmm. Yup. 50 minutes fair value gap. Price might be reaching much more lower. Oh, they didn't really really strong displacement. So this we have been a loss if we do long, but it's okay. I'm thinking that that is actually a really good entry to be honest, because everything is showing signs that the price might be going higher because forming back, going lower, grabbing liquidations, the price do really displacement above, and the price has been showing some kind of supporting area from the downside as well. So yeah, to be honest. But nonetheless, I'm much more leaning to doing shorts. As I already mentioned, this is the reasons behind that. I'm thinking in 2025 why that the gold is going shorts. But in the meantime, let's see the price is going to. Okay, reaching two, going back. Okay, so if you do really enjoy our live streaming sessions, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us so that we'll be continue doing live streaming sessions with you guys. Okay, so remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. So remember, if you want more about it, you can go to our Signal group. Our live Signal, our bio sections. You can go to our bio section Signal group. Yeah, 50 minutes. So probably we'll be using 50 minutes as our reference. So 50 minutes going through 50% price probably will be reaching back to this order block. So maybe the price will be reaching back to this order block, going back and reaching back to this order block. Hmm. Back, reaching back to this order block. 1 hour time frame, 1 minute time frame. Yep, reaching on the low sides. I'm thinking that the market might be going lower right away. Let's see how it turns out from this area. Closing this one, closing this one, and let's see how it turns out. Price didn't really reach through 61.8. I was actually expected that the price might be reaching through 61.8, but let's see. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And remember, if you want to join more about it, you can go to our You can go to our bio sessions and join our signal groups as well. So today we have been already giving out this area. We are waiting for the price to form some kind of support. This might take some time. I'm thinking that we probably will be doing long in next week. Next tag is also going on the shorter sides because I'm thinking that the price is manipulation, displacement, and dropping on the lower sides. But need to be aware of that is that the price is grabbing here. So we'll be reaching back to the fair value gap and see how does the market go through. Okay, seems like the dollar index is going higher. Is it? Yeah, the dollar index seems like is going higher, reaching back and going higher. So seems like the market is going higher, reaching back. Let's see how does the get to go to 50 minutes. Where is it? 1 hour. Mm-hmm. 1 hour. See. Price might be getting this liquidations forming back, going on the lower sides. Let's see how the price reacting from here. If everything's right, this might be a chance. Stop loss 20, 30 pips. Maybe can get 100 pips or more. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, but if you do really enjoy, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, remember to like, subscribe, and follow us. And we'll be also doing live streaming sessions. Okay, follow like streaming sessions Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. More signal, you can go to our bio sessions. Okay. Mhm, Swiping off, swiping to simulations. Mhm. Okay, so the price has been grabbing on, reaching through, reaching on this, grabbing this liquidations, this low. Maybe this is 50% from this point onwards, not really also in from this. Yeah, but seems like the price is reaching back, grabbing here. So, but I'm thinking that the market is actually wanted to go higher because the price is going through displacement above, rebalancing down, maybe reaching through this area order block. There's a chance. If that really happens, maybe the price will be reaching back to 10 or maybe even much more. I was thinking that the price might be reaching through this fair value gap, but the price is from this point onwards, at least the price need to go to 50. Yeah, market is actually going higher. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, like and subscribe and follow us. So follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be definitely give you much more content about it. So live streaming, follow, like, and subscribe, and also 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. And more signal, you can go to our bio. Okay, so more signal, you can go to our bio sessions. Okay. So remember to give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Later on, I'll be passing to my partner. He also will be giving out live streaming, and he are majoring on the fundamental and also on the technical side as well. So hopefully you guys do really learn something and also give out a lot of support to him. Hopefully everyone do stay up, and he will be after that he will be also taking over my live streaming sessions, and he will be giving out the fundamental sides and also the technical part. So hopefully everyone do learn something and giving out some kind of thoughts. Okay. Okay, remember to give us like, subscribe, and follow, and remember to post your remember if you want to know more about it, give me your supports and so on. Okay, so remember everyone, this might be 70. Wow, price to really give our supporting area reaching out higher, maybe reaching back towards this area, but it's much more smaller time frame. Hmm. Okay, so hopefully everyone do learn something, and we have been giving out deep analysis. We have been giving out fundamental from the longer terms. Why that I'm thinking gold might be going lower in 2025, and I already give out some of the pairs that I really think that the market is going higher, especially AUD the price is reaching through this liquidations area, not today, but we are planning to do long. And also Nasdaq might be also reaching lower. And other than that, we also will be doing crude oil. Crude oil has been grabbing this liquidation, so it might be likely to see the price is going on the lower sides. But let's see how it happens. Okay. And other than that, gold market, we are thinking that the price of 2025 the gold will be dropping down, but right away currently I'm thinking much more leaning to going on the higher sides and reaching back to this liquidity area. Okay, this what we call equal high, and reaching back to this area. So yeah. Okay. So hopefully everyone do really enjoy our lessons, and I will be passing back to our my next partner, and he will be giving out fundamental and also technical part as well. So hopefully everyone do enjoy my sessions. Hopefully I'll be seeing you guys next week. Thank you, and we'll be seeing you guys next week, Monday. Okay.
Hello guys, welcome to our live streaming sessions, and let us recap what happened last night, guys. Okay, so yesterday we do have the Federal Reserve giving their outcome regarding their interest rates decisions, and right now we have already been able to profit out of yesterday's trade. As you guys could have seen, that yesterday we are able to hit our fifth profit target, guys. Okay, so we are entering the trades around 2,670, and then we made our profit by around 300 pips as well, because we do set out the price target. Eventually we do reset the price target at around 2,700, and last night we are able to hit that big profit, guys. So let us see how we do today, but definitely I'm quite optimistic that we could be finding some good opportunities, especially we are started to see that the market has been quite good on the market side. And right now, what can we do out of the market? Okay, so let us have a review what really happened on the market before we enter giving out signals for tonight. So as usual, if you guys have been following us, you guys would have known that we are doing these live streaming sessions daily from Monday to Friday. So if you guys are new, you guys could join us next week in Monday. And if you guys have time, make sure that you guys stay tuned, because I'll be talking about a lot of different asset pairs, and definitely you guys could benefit it from the analysis that we will be doing. And as usual, if you guys have any other questions, you can directly let me know. Type in the questions in the comments and I'll be happy to answer your questions, guys. Okay, so how to join? So you can join us just by clicking on our picture, guys. So I believe that on our top left top corner, so you can click on that, and then you will be viewing our main profile, and you can click on that link, guys. Okay, so you click on our profile and you will be looking through our link on that site, so you can click on that. Alright, so I hope that answers your questions, Chua John and Simply Wealth. So that is our bio. So our bio is our profile, so you click on our picture right at the top of it, and then you could be looking at our profile. Click on that link if you guys want to get more free signals, and if you guys want to learn how to trade with our styles, definitely you guys could also click on that link and chat us for more information, guys. Okay, alright, Rahman, hello, nice to see you. It's nice, it seems that you are here more often. Sir, it's gold going down. Unfortunately, from my view, guys, it hasn't been going down a lot. Okay, so let us discuss what really has happened on the market since yesterday. So as you guys could see, that yesterday market has been giving us a very good signal where it has been going up pretty fast, pretty high, and then it started to slow down, because tonight we have the dollar getting some strength of its back. I believe that with the weaknesses coming up from the gold, somehow that gold remains suppressed as well. So I'm seeing that possibility happening. And afterwards, I'm seeing that gold started consolidate at our support price area around 2,680, guys. So as you guys could see, I even readjusted our stop losses when we are already in a profit, when we already hit our third profit target, and it never hit that prices during this price candle, as you guys could have seen. And right now, let me just open up the bigger time frame for you guys to see clearly. So as you guys could see, that currently the price actions just show us that the market has been doing quite well. After going through up a lot of market movement, right now it has been consolidating right around 2,680, which give us a very good entry point for us to enter the trade. And I'm seeing that it's still not far away yet, and we could be making some trades right now, guys. Okay, so that's the review what we have been going through. So last night we are entering the trade after getting the confirmations after the breaking out 2,670, and we managed to take profit around 2,700 at the end. The fifth target price, we do add up the target price. We usually never give out a lot of target price, but since yesterday was quite a positive market and the movement has been quite volatile, which is a good thing if you guys are going into the right directions. And it seems that the market has been going that well, guys. Okay, and afterwards it has been going down after the market has been digesting the news of the market going down, guys. Okay, and as a result, we are likely to see that the market would be going higher, because after consolidating after market reactions yesterday, it seems that right now it is poised to go even higher. So as you guys could see, it has been consolidating, and we could be giving out another signal for tonight. I think tonight will be a good trade as well, guys. It's the end of the week. We are entering almost the window dressing towards December. So I'm looking at a good chances that we could be making money as well, guys. Okay, so tonight I was trades buying gold, guys. Okay, so I usually share these signals at the first moment that I enter our entry session. So if you guys don't want to miss it out, make sure that you guys do follow us so that you guys won't be missing out on our signals, because I will be sharing it first, giving you guys a little bit of analysis, then we will be directly head into the signals. So if you guys want to get more this kind of signals, make sure that you guys follow us, give us a likes, give us a thumbs up, give us a support. And if you guys wanted to get more free trading signals outside of our live streaming sessions, make sure that you guys click on our profile, click on our bio, and click on that link so you could join our free trading signals. So you can join it, get free trading signals, guys. Okay. Alright, so there you go, guys. This is our first signal for tonight. I'm hoping it will be going to the right directions, and it seems that everything is heading to that way. So I think that maybe some of you guys do miss out on it, so 2691 should still be fine. And there you go, this is our first signal for tonight. So as usual, I will be recommending that you guys should don't be putting too much exposure in just one single trade. Make sure that you diversify. So maximum risk for per trade, maximum 1%, the lower the better. And make sure that you have put in your stop losses, and we will be always readjusting our stop losses depending on the situations. If everything has been going right, we will be buying it again and again, guys. Okay. Alright, L Shake. Alright, it seems you are new, so we have already just released our first signal for tonight, as you guys could see on the charts. So this is yesterday profit. Yeah, so this is yesterday. I'll be just writing the notes so that you guys don't get confused, guys. Okay, so yesterday we are profiting TP5, and tonight this is our signal. So I'll be just putting it lower so you guys don't get distracted. And it seems that our entry prices has been going higher and higher, so it seems that right now we are already in a floating profit as well, guys. Okay, so it seems that everything has been going on the right way. So if you guys are just joining us, I believe you guys could have been missing out on the good entry point, but no worries, you guys could still enter the trade, enter at high prices a little bit, and you could still enter it, and then you could be readjusting our stop losses a little bit higher. So let's say you enter a bit high, $1, so readjust your stop losses a bit higher by $1. So it's okay, you could do that. So if you guys are late, you could do that as well. Okay. Alright, so what's next on the market, guys? Okay, it seems that everything has been going right, anything has been going well. Alright, yes, I'll be with your signals. I stop trading now. Okay, it's fine if you want to stop trading, but definitely if you want to trade, you could definitely follow our signal, and make sure that you have your own view on the market as well, guys, because it's very important. So if you guys love to get these kind of signals, and definitely if you guys want to get more of this kind of signals, make sure that you guys follow us, like our account, like our videos, so we know that you guys enjoy our content. And I really appreciate that when you guys give us your likes, your support, especially your gifts. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. That's why you are sending us gifts, giving us your support. And If you guys think what we have been sharing has been helpful, because for the last 2 days we have already been able to profit a lot through our trades just on gold. We are profiting 3,000 pips on Wednesday. Yesterday we are also profiting 3,000 pips. So Wednesday we are doing sell. Yesterday we are doing buy. Everything has been going well. And El Sheikh, I'm sorry that you lost around $3,000, but I'm afraid that it could be the reason you are over trading. Maybe that could be the reason. So that's why it's very important you guys not to overtrade. And I think the second thing that could be the case is probably you open too much positions. It's just one single trade, and that could be very risky. It's not a good way to trade. You need to have a proper risk management as well, guys. Okay, so I always remind our viewers, our audience, that you guys should be aware of it. Okay, so that's why El Sheikh, it's very dangerous to do that, over trading, and you risk too much in just one single trade. So it's never a good thing, guys, because you need to have a proper plan. Especially we are doing trading for the long run, guys. We are not trading just for a day. We are not doing trading just for 1 hour, 2 hours. We are doing trading for at least years, guys, because there's no reason if you guys just want to trade on one single day and then you lost all of your account in just one single day. There's no point of doing that, guys. Okay, so let me just readjust the signals that we have been sharing since yesterday so that you guys don't get confused. So this is the daily time frame. So that's a proof for you guys that we have already been sharing signals for quite some times, and a lot of signals as well, so that you guys could see it on your own, guys. Okay, so if you guys love and want to get more analysis from our site, make sure that you guys follow us. And if you guys love our analysis, our signals, make sure that you guys like this video, give us a thumbs up, support us, because we appreciate a lot your support, and we know that you guys enjoy this kind of content. Okay, and definitely if you guys think what we have been sharing has been quite accurate and definitely helpful for your analysis on your trading side, you could share this video with your friends and family so that you guys could be trading together, earn money together with us as well, guys. Okay, so alright, so that's from my side for tonight. And let us see, guys. Okay, so this is our signal for tonight. Alright, so why don't we wait for the Michigan consumer sentiment? Okay, because from my side I don't really look at the news, guys, actually. So I'm more of a swing trader, I'm more of a position trader. So that's why if I don't really see any big market movement or any big danger coming out from the market, I don't think I will be really concerned about the news, guys, especially when we could be getting a good entry point. There's no reason for us to really look at the news. We could be just trading on it just without any concerns about the news. But definitely if you're a short-term trader, you are a scalper, you are a day trader, it's very important that you do pay attention to those news, because whenever you open up on a short-term basis trading, there will be a lot of volatility coming on the market. So that's the reason. But if you guys do really wait out for the market on the University of Michigan, I believe that the sentiment will be positive, guys, because a lot of people already expected that the new president will be elected on the US side, and I believe that sentiment should be positive, guys. Okay, so if you're asking my opinion, it should be positive. It should be going higher, and gold prices should be reacting positively, because it seems that our signal has been going well, guys. Okay, so we have an YCHpro. So I know that yesterday YCHpro are doing trades with us together, and yesterday we managed to reach around 2,700, surprisingly, because it turns out that the Federal Reserve do share out the decisions on midnight from our side, and suddenly gold prices just jump up very high, and I later readjust our target price. I even give up 5 target price, as you guys could see on the side, and we reached 2,700 eventually, guys. So I'm still holding on the trade just yesterday, and we have hit the 2,700 rise. And since we are doing a later sessions yesterday, I even give up a second signal yesterday. So that's why we are in a very big profit yesterday night. So I hope that XAUUSD also made a lot of profit. And it seems that tonight XAUUSD has already been even entering the positions at 2684. That's good for you. And so the overall analysis that we hit support around 2650, yes, the last 2 days, and it seems that this support has been quite strong, a critical support area, and then it has been jumping up pretty fast, pretty high since the release of the Federal Reserve news. And it seems that the market has been consolidating for a while, waiting for the news tonight coming out in the market. Okay, so as a result, right now we are looking through this market reactions. So it has been consolidating, and we have already been entering our trade at 2690, and everything has been going through our directions. Nothing much has changed. It's quite positive, and I believe that should be the case as well for tonight, guys. Okay, so I have nothing big to worry about, and I'll be just letting the trade work on its own, guys. Okay, so if you guys have any other questions, you can let me know. I'll be happy to help you guys with your concerns. Anything related to trading, you can ask me. If you guys have no concerns, then you guys are good to go to trade on your own, guys. Okay, all right, so everything has been going on our side for tonight, and even cryptocurrency market has been doing well. US stock market yesterday, we have shared a lot of signals also on the US stock market, and it seems that everything has also been going on to the right directions as well, guys. Okay, so if you guys love this kind of content and you guys have been already getting some profits for tonight, because it seems that from tonight's trade it has already been 150 pips, so that's a good trade also for tonight. And definitely I hope that you guys have already been enjoying a little bit of floating profit joining us. And one of the things that you guys should be watching out is how the US stock market working, because definitely US stock market is a very interesting place to watch out for now, because the market has been quite positive, and it seems that everything has been going higher and higher on the US stock market. So make sure that you guys don't miss out on it. Everything has been quite positive over the last few days, and it seems that the US 30 has been showing us some good signs of consolidations yesterday night, and probably, just probably, we could be entering the trade for tonight, guys. Okay, so I will be looking out on the US stock market tonight as well. Okay, El Sheikh, you are thinking that gold could be reaching 2,700. I agree with you. I'm also giving out a target price of around 2,700, guys. And right now, if you do pay attention, it seems that it has been a quite positive day. Consolidation has been performing really well, shaping out in a perfect shape, and right now you could be seeing this consolidation forming, and I'm expecting that the price market movement could be moving in this kind of directions, guys. Okay, so I'm seeing this possibility, so that's why I'm giving the stop loss a pretty huge market ranges, and I'm seeing good chances for gold prices could be reaching 2,700 with the positive news coming out for tonight. I'm expecting that it will be positive, because as you guys could see, people are forecasting a higher number, so I'm expecting that it should be going higher than 71, guys. Okay, that's from my view. So 2,700 achievable. Right now we're already in a floating profit by around 200 pips, so it seems that everything is on track. Nothing much to worry about, and we'll see how it goes. I'm positive about tonight's market. Nothing much has been concerning us for us tonight. Okay, maybe the concern is if you guys haven't put any positions, that could be your big concerns, guys, because definitely if you haven't been opening up positions, I'm afraid you could be quite late on the party, because the market movement has been quite beautiful for tonight, guys. Okay, I gotta admit that everything has been going on track with our view. So make sure that you guys do open up positions, since we are sharing the signal pretty early, and I see that most of you guys are still here. So I do hope that you guys have already started to put some of your positions on the trades, otherwise you will be missing out on good trading positions as well, guys. Okay, all right. So later in a moment, I'll be taking a look what happened on the US stock market, because yesterday we do share out some signals on the US stock market, but unfortunately yesterday market movement hasn't been giving us any confirmations. So we will be taking a look on the US 30, which the one that we haven't give out any signals since yesterday, and we'll be also taking a look what happened on our analysis, and we have already given out signals on the US 100 and US 500 as well. So we'll be taking a look what happened yesterday. But I believe the data should be positive. We are already in a profit, I believe, because on my account I'm also profiting, so I'm not worried about that side at all. Probably the case should be for us to see whether how the market movement will be going from there onwards, guys. Okay, so that's probably that could be my concern. Other than that, I'm quite positive for tonight. Okay, so let us see how the market works. It seems that everything has been quite on track and nothing much to worry about. Alright, so what can I say about if it hits 70.10? Okay, I believe 2710, you are the best. Thank you very much. I hope that it could hit that prices just for a moment, but we'll never know how the market works, guys. So we'll be taking a look, we'll be paying attention, see how the market reacts, and see how the market goes, guys. Okay, thank you very much for your support, guys. XAUUSD, thank you very much. You have been following us for quite some time. What can I say about Nasdaq? Bullish. That's my positions, guys. You should be bullish on Nasdaq no matter how late you are on the trade. The market is going through all-time high levels. So let me show you what happened on the US 100. So this is our signal last night. I have been giving out these initiations on the market. So I'm very clear on the market. I'm pretty much bullish on the market. So it's very clear the market has been going on the good directions. So it's very clear the market is going on the strong uptrend, and we even last night hit our second profit target. So as you guys could see, everything has been going on to our directions, guys. Okay, we at least make around, I can dare to say we make around $200. Okay, $200 move on this US 100. So I'm sadly to say, Mira, if you are late on the market, you haven't been able to profit out of it. But if you have already followed our signal yesterday, I believe you should have been making a lot of money tonight, because I'm still holding my trade on the US 100 as well, guys. Okay, I have $70. Should I open a funded account? So that's a very interesting question, guys, because funded account could be a very good thing on the market, guys, because if you guys have a limited capital and you guys wanted to trade on a bigger account, definitely funded account is a good thing. But one thing that you guys should be wary about funded account is you need to pay attention, because funded account usually works if you guys are a disciplined trader. And so if you guys are taking too big of a risk every time you are trading, then I believe that funded account couldn't be your match, guys, because especially some funded accounts just allow you a daily drawdown just 2 to 3%, and it's a pretty hard thing for me to do because I'm more of a swing trader and I like to take bigger time for my trades to work sometimes, because sometimes it could fail. So if you guys are short-term trader, funded account could be your way. If you are a swing trader, make sure that you have to do your analysis and try to find out what kind of funded accounts should be doing the best for you. There are instant funded account which usually cost much, so $70 shouldn't be your budget. Maybe there is some funding account that has that kind of range, so I hope that you guys could find out on your own. And the stop loss must be 2689 as I see, and the TP is from 700 to 704. If you want to do that, you could do that, because from my side, I'm more of a swing trader and I'm more likely to give a bigger range of stop losses. So I don't think I will be limiting myself on putting a very tight stop losses just in order to get hit on the stop losses pretty easy, which I don't want that to happen, because I'm trying to take a bigger swing on the trades, and I don't like if I put too much of a tight stop losses, because if you guys put too tight of stop losses, maybe you guys are more into short-term trading, day trading, and scalper. But I'm not that kind of trading. So L-shake, if you want to do that, make sure you have done your own analysis and you have your own view, and make sure you don't open too much risk in one single trade. Okay, because if you are not that disciplined and if you hit too much easily on your risks, on your stop losses, it's very dangerous L shake. Okay, I hope you could be recovering, but it could gonna take some time, especially if $3,000 is your whole account. That could be dangerous, guys. Okay, should we still hold buy? Alfie, I'm not understanding about what kind of buy. Maybe are you asking about the US 100 or are you asking about the gold? I'm not sure. But since we are still on our US 100 trade, you should still be holding, because I'm still holding on the trade on the gold side. I'm still holding the trade also on the US 100 side. And I believe yesterday we do share a signal also on the US 500, guys. Okay, so I'll be checking on it. So yes, if you want to follow our signals, you could definitely follow us our signals L shake. Okay, so yesterday we do share out these signals as well. I believe that we already hitting profit as well for tonight, because I'm taking more of a swing trade on the US stock market, guys. Okay, so we have already profiting out of the trade. So congrats if you guys have been following us and trading multiple trading assets. I believe that we hit our top target at 5984 last night. So we hit the second profit target and we are already hitting around $35 trade, guys. Okay, so it's been a big profit, I believe, especially if you guys are putting some leverage. Just don't too much. I believe this $35 should be a lot, guys. Okay, so if you guys wanted to get this kind of signals and more, make sure that you guys check out our profile, check out our bio, and click on that link so you guys could get more free trading signals, and it's for free, guys. Okay, so make sure that you guys don't miss out on it. And if you guys love what we have been sharing, definitely you guys could also share this video with your friends and family, and you guys could be trading together and earning money together, because sharing is caring. Especially if you guys are sharing good things, I don't think people will be angry with you guys. Okay, unless you're sharing them some random unclear analysis, definitely you guys will be upset. But if you guys are sharing golden nuggets such as this kind of things, definitely people are happy to receive it, guys. Okay, and thank you very much for your support, by your loves, by your likes. I really appreciate it, and I do notice that you guys love our content, so thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate it. And definitely if you guys have been giving us your gifts, thank you very much. And I hope that if you guys are giving us some gifts, that means that you guys are also on a profit on your own account. I hope that's the case. And so let us view how the market has been going on the other part of the trade. US 500 has been doing well, and right now USD could be our next signals for tonight, guys. Okay, so let us take a view on USD. Alright, so yesterday I've already said I'm waiting for the confirmations, guys. Okay, so this is the case that when the market hasn't been giving us any clear analysis in the market, I won't be executing the trade, guys, because I'm really wary about it, and I try to find the best possible scenario to enter the trade when it has been giving us a clear market signals on that side of the market. Okay, so if there isn't any clear market signal coming out of the market, then I don't want to enter the trade, guys, because we are not getting that confirmations coming out from the market. Okay, okay, so for now it seems that there is some good signals. Are you the guy that making the tutorials in Terraria? I'm not sure about that, because I've never heard about Terraria, so I don't think I'm that guy. Okay, but definitely if you guys love what we've been sharing, definitely you can follow us so you guys could get more insight on how we see the market, guys. Okay, so what happened since yesterday on the USD? So it seems that it is bound to break higher because it's the end of the week and we will be having a big news coming out tonight on the US Michigan. So definitely we could be making some trades on USD, because right now it is not on the top part of that trade and we could be entering at a pretty limited risk on this side. So I'll be sharing our second signal for tonight. Buy USD. No worries, Kevin, but I'm not that guy. Okay, it's just unfortunate, guys. Okay, buy USD. Entry price could be entering at this ranges, guys. Okay, to 43,000. Let's take a look. 73. Yep. So if you guys can enter at lower prices, definitely that's the case. But I know that some of you guys, sometimes you're a bit late and you have been missing out on those good entry points. So I definitely give you guys some ranges. If you guys are patient enough, definitely you guys can enter at the trade a bit later. 43,690. Target price one, I believe we should be targeting at the closest price target for the first price target at 43,825 to 43,850. Okay, that's our first profit target. Second price target, I will be much more bullish and giving you guys a bit higher price target, and I'll be giving you guys some ranges as well. 44,200. Okay, so there you go, guys. I'm pretty much bullish for tonight on the US30 because it seems that the consolidation has been almost completed on our side, and definitely I'll be happy to enter the trade right now, guys. Okay, just make sure that you guys pay attention to your risk. That's the most important thing, guys. Don't overtrade, don't risk too much in just one single trade, and make sure that you guys also pay attention to stop losses and all those kind of things. Bullish on okay, there you go, guys. I'm pretty much bullish, and we are still entered around our entry prices, so that's why if you guys are interested to follow the trade, definitely you guys could still follow the trade. You guys are still in range, and if you guys are happy to wait for the trades to reach those price actions, definitely you guys could also wait as well, guys. Okay, so for now, I'm happy that I'm seeing the consolidations forming, and it's going to take some time because we are looking at this 1 hour time frame charts. But if you guys open on the daily time frame charts, I believe that you guys should be seeing the same thing. We are seeing these consolidations happening on the market because it has been breaking out the all-time high levels on this US30. So as you guys could see, it has been breaking out of it, and I have any concept that it should be bearish for now. It's a bad thing if you guys are trying to do short. That's a very risky thing, guys. Okay, because if you're doing short, if you're a short-term trader, definitely you guys could try to do that, but pay attention to your risk because we have already break the all-time high at these prices at 43,300, and we are going higher and higher. So I'm not seeing any cases why you shouldn't be buying it, but definitely you guys shouldn't be shorting it. If you guys want to wait and see, definitely you guys could do so. Just if you guys are uncomfortable to enter the trade at these high prices, definitely you guys could wait. That could be the case, guys. Okay, alright, so let us go back to gold. I don't know what happened on the gold chart since we are talking through the other trading. Okay, it seems that gold prices started to consolidate a little bit slower. Okay, so it seems that we need to wait for the price actions to work later on, so we'll see. So right now, if you guys are late on the charts, it seems that you guys could still be entering the trade. It still offers you guys into that entry range prices, so that's why you guys could still enter the trade. I'm still pretty much optimistic on that side as well, guys. Okay, so if you guys love our analysis, our market outlook, showing you guys how do we view the market, definitely you guys could also join our signal. So you guys could be clicking on our bio, click on our profile, and click on that link if you guys want to enter our free trading signals. And if you guys love what we have been sharing, you guys feel it has been helpful for your trading side, if you guys don't want to follow our signal but the analysis has been good, definitely you guys could give us your support by giving us your likes, your thumbs up, guys. I appreciate it, especially if your gifts, guys. Thank you very much, because we know that you guys have been able to make some money out of trades, or definitely you guys are getting some insights from the analysis. And if you think that this kind of analysis could help your friends, family on their trading, and you guys know that they are trading, you could share this video with your friends, family, so you guys could be trading together and make money together, guys, because sharing is caring, guys, because sharing this good stuff would never harm people, guys. Okay. Actually, guys, on the second look after we have been talking, actually I've been looking at this potential cut and handle formations as well. So there's a possibility that this market movement could be quite well, guys. Okay, but we never know because we are waiting for the confirmations, looking at how the market will be reacting later on. So it could take some time before that happens, but I'm still pretty much bullish on the market, guys. Okay. So if you guys haven't followed us yet, I highly recommend that you guys do so, because whenever we are doing live streaming sessions, if you do follow us, you will be getting notified, and I don't want that you guys missed out on it on the next time, guys. Okay, so make sure that you guys do follow us, so you guys could get these trading opportunities together with us. And definitely, if you guys love what we have been sharing, you could give us your thumbs up, give us your likes, and share this video with your friends and family if you guys want to help your friends and family on, if you guys know that they are trading and definitely this could help them. It's a good thing that you could share this with your friends and family, guys. Okay. All right, so let us see what happens next, because we have already been looking through the gold market. Everything has been going through what we are looking through since just now, and everything has been going on track. Nothing much to worry about right now. Okay, so maybe let us take a look on the US dollar index, guys, because US dollar index has been quite an interesting market, and over the last 2 days it has been moving frantically up and down, and we are not seeing any clear signs where it is going right now. So maybe it's a good time for us to take a break and take a look on the US dollar index, because it is helpful if you guys wanted to look at this chart, because US dollar index has been quite a key indicator for us to look over the last few days, and especially after the US election has been ended. Definitely this could be a good time for us to try to take a look what happened on the US dollar index. Okay, so as you guys could see that over the last 3 days, US dollar index has been kind of in chaos. As you guys could see, this is daily time frame chart, and you guys could see that on Wednesday it has been going up pretty fast, showing a very strong US dollar. Thursday it has been going down, but tonight it has been going up. So we are not seeing any clear pattern where it is going on this short-term period of these last 3 days. But if you guys are opening up and trying to look at a bigger time frame, it's very clear the market is going up. It's still showing signs that it is going higher and higher. So I'm not seeing any chances that it should be going low for now, guys. Okay, it should be going higher. And one thing I'm sure, guys, it seems that with the new president that has been elected on the US side, it seems that he will be advocating for better US economy and greater local economy set. So definitely that would be increasing the US dollar value. So as a result, I'm seeing this could be a possibility. It could be building up this bull flag formations and then going higher, guys. Okay, I'm seeing that possibility happening. So hey, what's that? So this is a US dollar index chart to show you guys what has been happening since the US election has been over, and how the US dollar has been reacting, and how it could be impacting the other trades such as gold, US stock market, and even the currency side, because definitely everything is impacted by one single thing, guys. Okay, so definitely right now, if we open out on the small time frame charts on the US dollar index, it seems that the strength has still been continuing, showing that US dollar index could remain even going higher. But the surprising thing is, with the strength coming out from the US dollar index after the US Federal Reserve cut its rate yesterday, it seems that US dollar index has been quite strong, surprisingly, which is not the case usually. But never say never in the market. Sometimes anomaly could be happening, and we are actually seeing that gold prices are simultaneously going stronger together with gold. Because last night when we see that gold grew strongest on Wednesday, Okay, so it has been weakening, but it has been going stronger, and last night we are likely to see chances that gold could be going stronger together with a stronger dollar, which is never the case usually, guys, but things happen on the market. All right, so with that, I'm still pretty much bullish on this market and on the gold market especially. And like I said, guys, if anything changes in the market, I'll be readjusting the stop losses with you guys. I'm giving you guys a bigger stop losses just in case that the market sentiment has been quite positive in another 1.5 hours. I'm afraid that before that I will be ending my live streaming sessions, but just in case, I will be readjusting the stop loss before my live streaming ends. So make sure that you guys do stay tuned on it, and I'll be updating you guys with what happens on my few, guys. Okay. Alright, so far the market hasn't been moving a lot, and maybe we'll see how the market goes until the end of the live streaming sessions. And definitely, if anything happens on the other side of the trade and any big market movement that I haven't been able to notice about, you guys could be chatting me up on the comments and let me know what happened on the other market, because I'm sharing the US30, because maybe there's something happening on the US30 price actions. I never know, because I'm just focusing on this chart where I'm looking right now, guys. Okay. Alright, so maybe it's a good time for us to try to take a look at silver prices, because silver has been quite a tricky trade, and maybe, just maybe, we could be entering the trade right now because it has been touching the support. And thank you very much, CR7. I believe you're a big football fan, Cristiano Ronaldo, and thank you very much for your gifts, guys. Okay, I really appreciate it. And I think right now we could be also entering the second trade as well, guys. Okay, silver has been doing quite well. Okay, it seems that I choose the wrong one. Oops, scroll out. Silver prices has been reacting quite well compared to the gold side, so maybe it's time for us to try to test something on the silver side for tonight, guys. Okay, so price entry at $31.55, $31.65. Stop losses, I'm going to get a huge stop losses because silver market is a bit more volatile compared to gold, so that will be the case. Just for safety reasons, I'm giving you guys a little bit of those kind of market movement. And gold 2600. Okay, so there's a bearish, but no worries, any opinions are accepted, guys, because anything could happen on the market. Alright, so we'll be putting our first target price at 31. Okay, that's a good thing, because while I'm typing up the silver signal, it seems that silver price is also going up. So it seems that everything is going on to the right directions for our trade. We'll see. Okay, so this is our third signal for tonight, in fact, and it seems that everything is going to our direction. So this is our third signal for tonight. So if you guys love and want to get more free trading signals, definitely you could check out our bio, check our profile, click on that link if you guys want to get free trading signals, so you guys could join our channel for free and get more insights from our site. And right now we're already in a floating profit and also on the silver trade, so it seems that everything has been going in the right directions, because it has been going higher and higher, and we are very close to hit our first profit target on the silver side as well. Okay, so let us check back what has been happening on the gold market. Okay, so as usual, I'll be congratulating you guys again, because tonight we have hit the profit target 1. Congrats, guys. Okay, congrats. TP1, and currently we are already in a floating profit by around 400 pips, guys. Okay, because I'm recommending it around 2690. Maybe some of you guys are a bit late. So we have been profiting almost every single day. It seems that this week has been quite a magical week for us, guys. Everything has been going through the right directions for almost all of our trade, and I'm looking at making big profits as well together with you guys. Okay, so we are already hitting our 400 profit pips for tonight, and if you guys love what we have been sharing, definitely you guys could be liking our videos, give us your support, give us your thumbs up, and I really appreciate it if you guys do give us your support, especially if you guys are sending us gifts. Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate it. And urge bet, I want 2706. Never say never, guys, because on the market you'll never know what happens, but definitely we'll see how the market reacts, guys. Okay, and if you guys like what we have been sharing and you guys wanted to get more signals, you could definitely check out our home profile, check out our bio, click on that link so you guys could join our trading channel Signal for free, guys. Okay, so I don't want that you guys miss out on that as well, because sometimes outside of the live streaming sessions you guys are worried, where can I get free trading signals? Definitely you can check out ours, and you could get all the analysis on that side as well. So make sure that you guys also check out on that side our profile, our bio for free trading signals, and click on that link, guys. Okay, so make sure that you do that and share this video with friends. Okay, guys, so you guys could be trading together with your friends, family. If you guys know someone is also trading, definitely you could share this video with them, guys. Okay, all right, so let us see what happened also on the US stock market, and in a moment I'll also be talking about the Bitcoin market, because Bitcoin market has been very well, and it seems that it is just going higher and higher. I'm not seeing any bad chances that it shouldn't be happening, guys. Okay, so in a moment I'll be checking on the US 30, because we have already shared the signal just for tonight, because yesterday we haven't been able to get that kind of, I would say, confirmations. The consolidation hasn't been forming yet, so I'm more of a waiting. Okay, so initiate buy position. Alright, it seems that the US 30 has been doing very well. It has been higher than our entry prices by around $4. So we are currently already in the floating profit by around $4 on the US stock market. So if you guys have been following our signals, I do remember I'm sharing it at the prices at around 43,770. Okay, so we are currently already in the floating profit by around $7, so that's a good number. It seems that everything is going to the right directions. I'm seeing the volatility contraction pattern happening. We are seeing those good signs, and I'm looking that tonight could be the breakout momentum for the US stock market on the US 30, guys. Okay, and let us check what has been happening on the US 500, because it could be good for us to check what has been happening. And it seems that everything has been going also on the right directions on the US stock market. On US 500 has been going higher and higher. We have already been recommending around these prices yesterday. But if you guys are wondering, can I enter today? I've been late yesterday. Okay, I'll be sharing you guys the second signal, but definitely I'll be suggesting that it's going to be a bit dangerous for tonight, because the lower the prices of entry the better, guys, because I'm a much of a believer in that. And so I'll be putting a tighter stop losses for tonight's trade, because last night trade is still working very well. We haven't hit our third profit target, so I'll be letting the trade run on its own. But this is for you guys. You are just new and you guys want to enter the positions, definitely US 500 could be one of your choices, guys, right? Okay, so you guys can enter at this current prices. If you guys are a bit late, you could enter at a high prices. You guys could enter at lower. Definitely I will be suggesting that you guys could enter lower, should be the better case. Stop losses 596. Target price 6,000, 6,010, because you have been quite late, guys. Okay, Okay, so there you go for tonight, guys. So if you guys can enter at lower prices, I definitely want you guys to enter at lower prices. But if you guys couldn't do that, then this is our second signal for tonight. Okay, so this is yesterday's signal, still running, still running. Okay. Okay, so this is yesterday's signal and this is tonight's signal, so that you guys don't get confused. But definitely US stock market is in a very bullish mode, and I don't want that you guys miss out on it too, guys. Okay, so that's why I'm sharing the second signal, and don't miss out on it on the second times, guys. Okay, because time you couldn't be repeating it, and once momentum has been gone, you are gone, no matter how upset, no matter how focused you are on your signals, because sometimes when you miss out on it, then you just miss out on it, guys. Okay, all right, so let us check what has been happening on the US 100, guys. Okay, US 100 a little bit, I would say a bit rusty for tonight compared to US 30, US 100. This market movement has been doing quite well. If you guys want to compare it with the US 30 and US 100, definitely US 30 and 100 are doing much better for tonight. Nasdaq, I'm seeing a little bit of concerning sign for tonight, so I don't think I'll be recommending on the US 100 for tonight. So US 30 and US 500 should be doing well. Okay. Alright, so let us check back what has been happening on the gold chart, guys. Okay, gold chart. Wow, okay, it has been going higher, and it seems that it should be hitting our second profit target soon, guys. Okay, second profit target. So right now we are currently in a floating profit by around 550 pips for now. And YCHpro, probably 2706 could be the case for tonight. I don't know, we'll see. It seems that the signs are pretty obvious. It should be going higher and higher. And that's also the case where I'm seeing from my side, guys. Okay, so well, we'll just be pay attention and just do the trade on our own, guys, and see how it works later on, guys. Okay, we'll never know, so we'll be taking a focus, taking a look on it, and try to execute a trade. Alright, so maybe this could be also a good time for us to check back on our signal on the, I would say on the silver market, because we have already been sharing silver signal as well. So if you guys, I know that tonight has been quite a bit quiet, but if you guys have any questions related to trading and you guys wanted to ask more information about trading, anything, Bitcoin, stock market, or who knows, if you guys have anything to ask, definitely you guys can ask me and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. And if you guys don't have any questions, I hope that you guys are doing well on your trading side. But definitely if you guys have any questions, risk management, portfolio, if you guys are trading individual stocks, I'm happy to discuss it with you guys as well. Okay. Alright, so at $31.70, we have hit our first profit target for silver tonight. So everything has been going on track, guys. Okay, buy silver profit TP1. I would say, how many pips? I'm not really accustomed towards the pips for most of the trading pairs. I believe on the silver side it could be just small pips, but it really mean a lot in terms of the numbers, guys. Okay, silver, we have already been profiting on the first profit target, And yes, it's not a big huge movement, honestly. It's just like around, I could say it's around 10 pips probably. Yes. Okay, so it's just around, we're entering the trade near 60 plus is now 60, yeah, 65, and we are hitting it, so 11 pips. So but that's a huge number in silver market, guys, because you're trading with a huge leverage on silver market. So 11 pips is a lot, guys. Okay, well done. Okay, thank you very much for your gifts, guys. I hope that you guys are earning money on your trading side as well. Okay, so for silver market has been started quite slow. I believe that would be the case also on the gold side. So don't be surprised, because that could be the case. As you guys could see, started to slow down. Okay, so we'll try to see how the market rolls. Be it everything has still been on track, and we'll see how it goes, guys. Okay. Okay, so what else? Okay, maybe right now we could be talking about Bitcoin market, guys. Okay, Bitcoin could be a good interesting case for us to do so. Bitcoin market. Okay, so for now, let us try to see what happened on the Bitcoin market. Bitcoin. Oops. Alright. It seems what we have been looking at the market has been quite accurate on the Bitcoin side, because as you guys could see that last night I do share the analysis, and what I'm looking at the Bitcoin market has been pretty much happening also, guys, because like I said, Bitcoin are hitting all-time high levels. You guys should be bullish on Bitcoin. There's no reasons that you guys should be shorting Bitcoin, because it won't be a good case that you guys do so. And yesterday's consolidations was pretty quick, as I have said. Could be the maximum around 73,000, but it didn't happen. It just at around 74,000, and then the market momentum has started to go higher yesterday. So congrats if you guys do buy around those prices, because I definitely recommend that you guys could be building up the positions, because I'm not going to give any signals for now, because market momentum has been quite tricky on the Bitcoin side. But if you guys are long-term investors, or if you guys are a big fan of Bitcoin, definitely you guys should be slowly buying up those coins, guys, because this market is going higher and higher, and definitely you guys shouldn't be missing out on it, because everything has been going on track with our view, and it seems that 82,000 shouldn't be taking too much time, guys. Okay, because I already set the target 82,000 for our next profit target on the Bitcoin side. Maybe right now could be a good time to buy. It has been building up, giving us a very good consolidations in the market. So maybe, just maybe, we could be entering the trade on the Bitcoin market for tonight, and we'll see how it works, guys, because I'm seeing good signs that the market could be going higher for Bitcoin. Okay, so let us give you the recommendations on the Bitcoin market, guys. Okay, Bitcoin market. Okay, target price 1, let's put it very close. So this is going to be a swing trade, guys, so it's going to take some time and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I've been getting this kind of good insights. I'm looking at, okay, we've been putting a very reasonable risk reward ratio on this trade. That's why I'm recommending it, guys, with you. And if you guys are not a big fan of cryptocurrencies, you guys could stay low, wait and see how the market works. It could be a good study. How do you see the market on the trading side? See how the volatility suddenly gives a very good consolidations for you guys to start buying up some positions, and then you guys could learn something out of this market if you guys are not interested on trading on it as well, guys. Definitely Bitcoin market has been quite tricky to learn for when it's getting rough, but on these kind of good market consolidations forming up right now, you guys could be learning something, guys. Okay, I could definitely see that. Okay, so right now you could guys be entering at the lower part of our entry prices. That could be the case, and you guys should be bullish on Bitcoin, on most of the cryptocurrencies that is on a good uptrend, especially if breaking all-time high levels. And the case I've already stated, so you guys should be buying Bitcoin market, guys. Okay, it's very clear. So if you guys wanted to get more free trading signals like this, you could check out our profile, check out our bio, and click on that link so you guys could join our trading channel for free, guys. So free trading signals for you guys outside of our live streaming session. So if you guys wanted to get more free signals outside of those time, definitely you guys could check out our profile and take a look on it, guys, because definitely you will be getting some good signals coming out of there. And if you guys love what we've been sharing with you guys together on our live streaming sessions, definitely you guys could give us a support by giving us your likes and thumbs up. And I really appreciate whenever you guys are sharing the gifts, and I hope that you guys are doing well in your trades as well. So thank you very much, guys. And share this video with friends, guys, and your family, especially if you know some of your family or friends are trading and you guys definitely think that this kind of analysis on the overall market outlook could be helping them on their trades without really following the signals. And I know that sometimes that traders could be trying to find some outlook or some analysis on the market. Is very normal. So if you guys think that this could be helpful for your friends and family, you could share this video with your friends, guys, because I believe that this could be helpful for them, taking another point of view how the market is working. And definitely stay in tune, guys, because whenever I've already given out a signal, I'll be following up with those signals at my ending of my live streaming session, so you guys could stay updated. Anything goes wrong, anything goes well, I'll be updating you guys. If we hit stop losses, we'll be letting you guys know we hit the stop losses. If we hit our first profit target, we will let you know, guys, we hit our first profit target. Okay, so we'll be open and transparent about the signals that we are sharing, and we'll see on the market, guys. Okay, for now, let us take a look back on the gold market. Alright, it seems that it's back, going higher and higher as expected. Could take some time, guys, so that's why you need to be much more patient for tonight, especially the news on the University of Michigan could take another 1 hour and 15 minutes. So it's going to take some time. So for XAUUSD, be patient, man, because I'm looking at the chances that it's going to take some time until another, let's say, 1 hour and 17 minutes before that news release. So it's going to take some time before really hitting our second profit target for tonight. So if you're patient, definitely that could be a good thing, because trading, you need to have patience, guys. Without that, you guys could be going on the long run, because we are doing trading for years, months at least. We are not doing trading just for a day, for hours, because that's not the point of doing so, guys. Okay. what happens next in the market. So I believe that gold has been rising back, and that could be the case. If you guys haven't entered the trade on the silver market, you guys should be also adding up positions on it as well, because it seems that silver market has been doing very well, going higher and higher, almost hitting back to our first profit target as well. So make sure that you guys don't miss out on it. But if you guys have already missed out on all of these signals, because we have been sharing gold signals, silver signals, US stock market signals, and you guys are still missing out on it. If you guys wanted to get free trading signals after missing out all of those signals, you guys could definitely check out our home profile, click on that link to join our free trading channel for free, guys. So you guys could get free trading signals just by checking our profile, click on that link, and you guys could get signals outside of our live streaming sessions, guys. Okay, and if you guys love what we've been sharing and like the analysis, market outlook, market analysis, and the signals, you could be giving us your likes, your thumbs up. I really appreciate it, guys. Knowing that you guys love this content, we know that we have been helpful for you guys. Okay, all right. So let us see how the market works, and definitely don't forget to share this with your friends and family. If you guys think that you know that some of your friends and family also do trading on their side, definitely this kind of live streaming sessions, analysis on different market could be helpful for them. So sharing is caring, guys. Okay. Maybe right now we could be checking back on the US30, because I think we haven't been looking at it for quite some time since the last time we are taking a look at it. Alright, the market seems has been started to slow down a bit, but overall our plan is still on track, haven't been moving a lot. So I won't be worried or too concerned about that side. Everything has been going well. And let us see, guys, okay? I'm feeling that this could be a good thing happening for us. So if you guys haven't entered the trade, you guys could still enter the trade. It's still within the entry prices. If you guys have been entering the trade, don't worry, we are still haven't hit the stop losses yet. Just make sure that you guys enter the risk, 1% risk maximum per trade, the less the better, and make sure that you guys let the trading plan work on its own. But if I do adjust the stop losses, because I'm ending my live streaming sessions and I need to give you guys some updates so that you guys know what to do if the market reacts differently, and you guys could limit your losses after my live streaming ends, guys. Okay. Okay, US 500 has been quite slow as well. That's the case I am seeing right now, but we'll see, guys. Okay, we'll see. It's still within the entry prices yet, so if you guys haven't entered the trade, you could also enter the trade on our second signal on the right hand side of the trade, guys. Okay, maybe let us try to take a look what happened on the US 100, guys. Okay, alright, it seems the US 100 has been quite slow. I think that's the fair reason. Okay, so that's why I don't dare to recommend US 100 for tonight. Nasdaq has been quite slow for tonight. Maybe after the opening market could be giving us some signs, and let us see after that. Could be getting some good chances on that side, guys. Okay, but for now I'll be still holding on the trades, see how it goes. Maybe try to adjust the stop losses a bit higher. Gold, I've been discussing about that, but I'll be back on that. Okay, so don't worry. Alright, back to gold for now. I know that you guys mostly love gold. Alright, gold, I think you have been late on the market. I'm not sure what's your name. That girl. So that girl, we have already been entering the trade at 2690 at the highest prices, and we have already been profiting out of it. And I'm surely that you have missed out on the good entry momentum on the gold price. So maybe if you guys don't want to miss out on it, you could follow us. So whenever we are doing our live streaming sessions, you will be notified. And I'm sharing the signals when I started the live streaming sessions. So I'm afraid if you guys are late, you guys should be not getting the signals on time, or you have been missing out on a good entry point and you couldn't be entering the trade at these prices right now, because I'm recommending these signals pretty early on the trade. So one of the suggestions that I could share and advise, you should be following us if you guys don't want to miss out on the trading opportunities, guys. Okay, and share this video with friends and family for the viewers who have been following us since our early live streaming sessions, so you guys could be helping your friends and family with our analysis. And just for your information, guys, we have already hit our second profit target at 2698. We have hit around 800 pips for the night. Okay, so congrats everyone, well done, because I'm seeing good chances that 2700 should be closed for tonight. We have another 1 hour and 10 minutes before the news release that could be impacting the gold market, so it should be going well for our trades, guys. Okay, so if you guys don't want to miss out on it, I suggest that you guys should be following us. And if you guys think, okay, I've been late, where can I get more free trading signals? Okay, you guys should check our profile, click on that link so you guys could get free trading signals outside of our live streaming sessions as well, guys. Okay, so you will be getting a lot of benefits just by checking our profile and click on that link, guys. Okay, alright, so let me check back what happened on the silver market, because we have already been sharing as well on the silver market. Okay, hasn't been moving quite fast compared to gold, but don't worry, we have already entered the trade at $31.60. Yeah, 65 cents. We have already been earning around 11 pips. It's not much on the silver side, but 11 pips in silver is a lot. I know that if you guys are trading often on the silver side, you guys should be knowing that. Okay, so I hope for that goal it could help you. You have been missing out on it, so maybe you could join us next time. Or if you guys want to get current trading signals, you could check out our home profile, check out our bio, and click on that link for free trading signals. Okay, all right. What else, guys? Because we have another 8 minutes before our live streaming sessions ended, so let us check the US30. We have already been checking it. Maybe we can try to take another few of the other markets right now, guys. Okay, so maybe for you, if you have been late, you could still enter the trade on this US30. We have recommended it for quite some time. It hasn't been moving that much, so this could be one of your choice if you want to trade on this. Or maybe if you guys want to trade on the other side of the other US stock market, we have already been sharing it as well. So this could be one of choices. We just break out of entry prices, so if you're late, I'm not sure how can I help you again, but this is our signal for tonight as one of it. Gold, silver, US30, it has been a lot variety and options, guys, so definitely you guys should have been able to make some trades coming out of these signals, guys. Okay, and what else? Okay, the US 500 second signal still within our entry prices, even lower than that, so you could be considering entering on this side. Put a very tight stop losses at 5956. Okay, so this could be also working on your side, guys. Okay, let us see how it works, but everything has been pretty well since last night, because we're entering the trade last night. As you guys could see on the first signal that we are sharing, we have already entered the trade and everything has been going well. I'm still holding the trade, adjusting my stop losses as well. Maybe you guys, if you guys are still holding the trade, you guys could also readjust your stop loss at 5950. Okay, so in case it drops down, you guys could still secure a profit, guys. Okay, all right, maybe let us take a look on oil market. Maybe there's something interesting coming out. So I believe that I haven't been looking at this chart for quite some time, so this is the one that I'm looking through. So all market, wow, it has been quite volatile, jumping up, down, up, down, up, down. So it has been a sideways trend on the oil market, and there isn't any clear signals coming out of it. And definitely if you are a position trader, a swing trader, this could be a tough time to trade the gold oil market, guys, because it has just been buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. You couldn't be expecting a trend coming out of the oil market. Even though on the overall long-term trend of the oil market, I'm a bit much more. Oh really? Gold hit 2,700. So let me check on it, guys, because like I said, I haven't been paying attention towards it. Okay, congrats, 2,700. We have officially made 1,000 pips over the last 3 days, guys. Okay, so congrats everyone, 2,700, and we have hit a very good point of trading, guys, for tonight. Over the last 3 days we have been making hits on this gold trade. So if you guys don't want to miss out, because we have already been profiting a lot since Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and if you guys are just joining us, I'm sad to tell you maybe that you guys have been missing out on good trading chances. So if you guys want to miss out on it, you guys could be following us. And definitely one of the things that you do if you guys want to get more trading signals right now is you guys could check out our home profile, click on that link so you guys could get those free trading signals, guys. Okay, and if you guys love what we've been sharing with you guys, definitely you guys could check out, click on your likes, give us your thumbs up to support us, because it means a lot knowing that you guys love our content, our videos. And definitely share this video with your friends and family, because I'm sure right now, after 3 days of making a lot of profits, I know I couldn't guarantee that you guys every day will be making profits, because it just doesn't make any sense if you guys could make profit trading every single day, because sometimes you could be having a bad day on trading. So you guys need to set your expectations a bit more realistic, and this way has been quite good. We have been able to see the market pretty clear. It has been giving a lot of clear signs on the market, but sometimes the market could be bad, and you need to be able to find your momentum, try to stay calm, and try to see. Okay, okay, so that's why I will always suggest that you guys that you need to always don't overexpose, because you never know when your trade goes wrong, and you need to always have your risk management in line, intact, so that you guys could be trading for months, years on the long term, because trading is not a short-term game, it's a marathon, it's not a sprint, guys. Okay, so that's why I always recommend it that you guys should be taking a step back and not see trading as something like a one-hit runner and you win everything. No, it's not like that, guys. Okay, I can guarantee you that. Okay, maybe you can get lucky once or twice, but you couldn't get lucky every single time. That I could guarantee you. Okay, so if you guys love what our videos, our content, you guys could give us your thumbs up, your likes. I really appreciate it. I'm seeing whenever you guys are giving us your likes, your thumbs up. And if you guys don't want to miss out on it, I highly suggest that you guys should be following our account, so whenever we are doing our live streaming sessions, you guys will be notified we are live, so you guys could be getting the signals and you guys could do the trade as well. And if you guys wanted to get more signals right now, check our home profile, click on that link, and join our trading signal channel, and it's for free, guys. Okay, Uskar, nice to see you. How are you doing tonight, Uskar? Because I know that yesterday you follow our trades on the gold trade. It has been a wonderful trade yesterday as well, Uskar. I hope that tonight you also follow us pretty well. Okay, I hope that's the case, Uskar. Alright, let us see. Gold, silver market has been quite slow, guys. Okay, that's usually not the case, but silver market has been at the highest at $31.83. We are very near to our second profit target. Overall, at the highest price, we are reaching around, we are entering the trade 65, so 15 pips, guys. Okay, that's a good thing for you, Oscar. I hope you get some of the insights that you needed, and I hope that the analysis has been helpful for you guys. So since it has been the end of my live streaming session, so I'll be updating you guys what are the signals that I've been sharing and what are the precautions that you guys need to take after my live streaming sessions end, because my live streaming sessions ends now at 10 p.m. Singaporean time, guys. So if you guys love and wanted to get more information, you could check out early, because we are doing these live streaming sessions from 7 p.m. Singaporean time until 10 p.m. Singaporean time, guys. So you could check us out earlier. If you guys don't have the time, you could definitely check out our home profile, click on that link and get more free trading signals on there. So it's for free, it's for you guys. Okay, you love it, Oscar. Thank you very much for your compliments. I'm really glad that you enjoy our content, our signals. I hope that you have been able to trade wonderfully on your side as well, Oscar. So it's almost my end of my live streaming session, so we are doing this. So I believe that I will be seeing you guys next week, because we are doing these live streaming sessions every day from Monday to Friday. So okay, thank you very much for your loves, YCHpro. I'm really glad that you love it. I'm seeing that you are liking it, giving us your thumbs up, your likes. I really appreciate it. YCHpro, thank you very much. I'm sorry if I do say it wrong, but I really appreciate it, guys. So I'll be ending my live streaming sessions, but before that I'll be updating on our signals, so you guys could stay updated on it. So what happens next, I'll be updating our stop losses. So right now we have put our stop losses pretty low, so just for safety reasons, so I'll be adjusting our stop losses near 2690 for now, for safety reasons. So in that way you could secure a profit, so you guys don't hit losses. If the trade still goes higher, you guys could enjoy the trade until the profit target. But unfortunately, I couldn't be accompanying you when you hit the third profit target, guys. And I hope that's the case also for you, XAUUSD. But I'm seeing good chances it could be hitting 2,710, guys. XAUUSD, I'm seeing that possible to happen. But I'm sad that I couldn't be following with you guys, because I'll be ending my live streaming session soon. So I'll be updating my stop losses near 2690. If you guys think it's risky, maybe you guys could set it a bit lower, 2688. That could be the case. Silver market, I'll be updating the stop losses and put it near $51.65, so you guys wouldn't be hit with a loss if anything goes wrong. But if anything goes right, you guys will be hitting a lot of profits on this trade as well. And next we have the USD, which I've been sharing it, but nothing much has changed on it. Oscar, God's bless, more blessings for you. You too, Oscar. I hope that everything has been going well on your side, on your life, and on our trading, definitely, guys, because that's the most important thing if you are a trader. So on this side of our trade, nothing much has changed, guys. I won't be changing the stop losses. I'll be letting it run on its own as usual. And the signal on the US 500, nothing much has changed. I will be just letting it run on its own. On our previous signals, I'm still holding on the trades, and I'm still running on it. US 100, I believe that most of you guys are still holding it, and I've already been readjusting the stop losses for you guys, so we have secured the profit target at the first price target as well. So you guys are from Philippines. I know that Philippines has been going through some tough times because there's some typhoons, I believe. I hope that you guys are doing well on your life. I hope that's the case, guys. Alright, so I believe that concludes almost all of our signals, just with the exceptions that I'm sharing Bitcoin as well. So let us check a look on it. Prices has been going higher, so it's a good thing that we are sharing the Bitcoin signals for you guys. So I think I won't be adjusting the stop losses because Bitcoin could be volatile and it could take some times before the market could be really realizing those profit target as well, guys. Okay. Alright, so that's all. I think I've been sharing a lot. I hope that you guys could be taking the trades on most of the trades that I'm sharing with you guys, and we'll see how it goes. And okay, gold. Okay, I think I've been discussing about gold, and this is it. Maybe you are late, Ray. I hope that if you guys are late, you guys could definitely follow us, because right now I've already been readjusting the stop loss at 2690. So we have entered the trade at 2690 as well. So our previous stop losses is at 2678. So you guys could readjust stop losses and see how the market goes. I'm positive that it could be going higher after the release of the news on the University of Michigan. And if you guys wanted to get more free trading signals after our live streaming sessions, definitely you guys could check out our profile, check our bio, click on that link so you guys could get more free trading signals. And it's for free, guys, so there's no harm. You guys will be just getting benefits on it, so why not? Okay, so if you guys have been late on most of our signals, I highly suggest that you guys could check our profile, click on that link so you guys could getting more signals after our live streaming sessions. Because once our live streaming ends, I couldn't suggest you guys anything, but if you guys follow our channel, you guys could get more free trading signals. That's the thing that I could suggest that you guys could do. And if you guys love our video, I hope you guys have been enjoying our content. I know that a lot of you guys have been following us, giving us your support, giving us your likes. Especially I know that some of you guys do give us gifts. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much, guys. And Oscar, you are always watching my live. Thank you very much. From Philippines. Okay, good thing. Okay, I hope that you guys are doing okay. I know that there have been some typhoons going on Philippines. I hope that you guys are doing okay on there. Okay, so I'll be ending tonight's live streaming, and I think I've been giving you guys the conclusions that you guys needed to end the week, but I'm still holding the trades for most of it, and I've already readjusted the stop losses for most of it, guys. Okay, so thank you very much for your comments, for your likes, for your support, your loves. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much, and I'll be seeing you guys next week. Okay, so if you guys want to get more free trading signals after our live streaming sessions, I highly recommend it that you guys check out our profile, check out our bio, and click on that link for more free trading signals, because after the live streaming ends, I couldn't recommend it anything. Okay, thank you very much, Oscar, for your likes, and definitely Kudi, Oye Kudi, thank you very much for your likes. I've seen that you guys are loving our content, our live streaming sessions. Okay, I'll be seeing you guys on Monday, guys. Okay, see you guys on Monday, and have a wonderful weekend, guys. Okay, we have already a wonderful week of trading, so definitely you guys should be enjoying our weekend, guys. Okay.